7 mental illness signs you must not ignore. Trying to tell the difference between what expected behaviors are and what might be the signs of a mental illness isn't always easy. There's no easy test that can let someone know if there's a mental illness. Most people believe that mental health conditions are rare and happen to someone else. In fact, mental health conditions are common and widespread. An estimated 44 million Americans suffer from some sort of mental disorder in a given year. So, what is the definition of mental illness? Mental illnesses are brain-based conditions that affect thinking, emotions, and behaviors. Since we all have brains, having some kind of mental health problem during your early life is really common. For people who have mental illnesses, their brains have changed in a way in which they are unable to think, feel, or act in ways they want to. There are more than 200 classified forms of mental illnesses. Some of the more common disorders are depression, bipolar disorder, dementia, schizophrenia, and anxiety disorders. The 7 main warning signs of mental illness are as follows. 1. Long-lasting sadness or irritability. Feeling sad, down, and fully depressed is normal and common. Life throws things at us and we feel them. But the American Psychiatry Association reports that if you're feeling sad or irritable for a few weeks or more, lacking in motivation and energy, losing interest in a hobby, or being teary all the time, then maybe it's depression. 2. Extreme changes in moods and outbursts. Do you ever feel so angry that you find it almost impossible to control? If so, that anger may be telling you something about your stress levels, your anxiety, or even unresolved grief and unhealed trauma. We all have different moods, and we go through mood swings, but sudden and dramatic changes in mood, such as an extreme distress or anger, lashing out for no reason, can all be symptoms of mental illness. The National Alliance on Mental Illness says that dramatic shifts in a person's mood, energy, and ability to think clearly could be signs of being bipolar. 3. Excessive paranoia, worry, or anxiety. We all get worried or stressed from time to time, but anxiety could be the sign of a mental health disorder if the worry is constant and interferes all the time. 4. Social withdrawal. Personal space is important and even positive for your mental health. However, withdrawing from life, especially if this is a major change, could indicate a mental health disorder. If a friend or loved one is regularly isolating themselves, they may have depression, bipolar disorder, a psychotic disorder, or another mental health disorder. Refusing to join in social activities may be another sign they need help. 5. Dramatic changes in eating or sleeping patterns. According to the Harvard School of Medicine, 10 to 18% of the general population has problems sleeping. But Harvard's med school stated that sleeping too much or too little is more common amongst those who are suffering from some sort of mental illness. About 50% of those who live with ADHD, depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder suffer from insomnia or hyperinsomnia, which means sleeping too much. At the same time, for some people, fluctuating weight or rapid weight loss could be normal. But if it's sudden or not explainable, then the question is, what is causing it? Many people eat a lot or some don't want to eat at all due to stress or other issues that are worrying them. 6. Substance abuse. Using substances to cope, such as alcohol or drugs, can be a way out of what someone is really feeling. Often, substances can numb the mind and body, thus avoiding the true nature of emotions and how they make us feel. They can also force us to be in a better mood or not feel anything at all. Mentalhealth.gov says that 1 in 4 or 25% of people who live with mental illness use substances to self-medicate their anger, anxiety, depression, or mania. 7. Feeling guilt or worthless. Thoughts like, I'm a failure, it's my fault, or I'm worthless are all possible signs of a mental health disorder. Your friend or loved one may need help if they're frequently criticizing or blaming themselves. When severe, a person may express a feeling to hurt or kill themselves. This feeling could mean the person is suicidal and urgent help is needed. The exact cause of mental illness is not always known. It could be caused due to various genetic and environmental factors or a combination of both. If you or someone you know exhibit any of these warning signs, please don't ignore them. If you find yourself thinking about self-harm or suicide, we really request you to reach out to a healthcare professional and get the help you need and deserve. If you can relate to the symptoms in this video, please know you are not alone, and nor should you feel bad about it. Mental health is just as important, if not more, than physical health.